Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip south on US Highway 61, beginning as we enter the city of Cape Girardeau in Cape Girardeau County, Missouri. Here we continue a concurrency with the Great River Road as well as the Jackson-Cape Girardeau I-55 business loop. We've crossed back over to the east side of I-55 here, where we once again see the Kings Highway name. The highway has also been dedicated as the Roger W. Fields Memorial Highway as of March 30th, 2016. Fields was the Assistant Chief of the Cape Girardeau Police Department who passed away at the age of 50 in 2014. Cape Girardeau is the economic center of rural southeast Missouri and is a college town, home of Southeast Missouri State University. A point of interest here is the Mississippi River Tales mural, covering 18,000 square feet of river floodwall spanning the length of the downtown shopping district. The 24 panels of the mural illustrate the history of the area, beginning with the Native Americans who inhabited the area between the years of 900 and 1200. The mural was painted by Chicago artist Thomas Melvin in collaboration with several local artists, and was dedicated at a public ceremony on July 7, 2005. There are 39 historic sites in Cape Girardeau that are listed on the National Register of Historic Places. Of these, 8 are historic districts such as the Cape Girardeau Commercial Historic District, which was listed in 2000 and includes multiple contributing properties. Other landmarks include the Fort D Historic Site and the Confederate War Memorial. The City of Cape Girardeau has established a transportation trust fund that implements a 0.5% local sales tax. All of that money is used on transportation improvement projects. General projects are also included to keep the city's streets in good condition. In 2011, Cape Girardeau launched the Ride the City campaign. This dedicated 16 miles of bicycle lanes in city streets. There are lanes that are used only by bicycles and lanes where motor vehicles and bicycles can share space. We're pretty much following the original path of US-61 here, but on the left is Broadway Street, which at one time was the northern end of a US-61 city or business route through downtown Cape Girardeau. There's no indication of any such business route today on signs or maps. The Southern Expressway on the left appears to have been the southern end of the old US-61 city route through Cape Girardeau. That road also carried Missouri Route 74 prior to the construction of I-55. To the left, we see where US-61 originally ran to the south out of Cape Girardeau, but today the highway has been routed onto I-55 for several miles. Here we enter Scott County, but remain in the city of Cape Girardeau. This extension across county lines is due to the fact that the Cape Girardeau Regional Airport is in Scott County, but they wanted it to be within the Cape Girardeau city limits. We conclude today's video as we leave Cape Girardeau and enter Scott City. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.